entrees, we're going to make some wedges, betta fish and a salad. This is my old bread. I made this like over a week ago. This was a bit of a dense bread. So when you proof your bread the second time, if you know it needs more room to like expand, so be it. So I'm just going to turn these into like croutons for the salad. They're my little croutons. I don't want to over bake them. I'm just going to drizzle some oil. This is like my favourite olive oil. It's called patchouli. I don't even know how to say it. I'm not Italian. If you are, you know how to say it, let me know. Salt. Pepper. Italian herbs. I'm just going to mix it through. I probably should have used a bigger bowl, but you know, to be honest, I don't think it's going to make that much. Put on the air fryer. I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes and maybe turning it over. I'm going to peel our potatoes. I'm going to peel a lot, so probably about 7-8 potatoes because my family loves potatoes. I'm going to make wedges, so cut them lengthways. And for a small one, we're just going to cut them up like that. Then I'll parboil our wedges for about 5 minutes to 6 minutes. Then cut up our lettuce. Grate our carrot. Capsicum. Cucumbers. Radishes. And my leftover stuff from the pizza. So onions. I'm just gonna put a little bit. And some Hungarian salami and frankfurts. When I do mix it and plate it on my plate, I'm going to add the leftover feta cheese and some my ranch. And my husband will probably just have the French dressing salad. Can't forget our croutons. I'm going to set that to the side and then toss it when I'm ready to serve dinner. We're going to make betta fish. So I have basa fillets. Just going to halve them like so. Actually I might do fish bites. And I keep these ones for the adults. So I have 2 bowls here. This big one's going to be our dredge and the other one's going to be our betta. Put like a cup or half a cup in a bowl. And same with the other. Season your dredge just a little bit. Set it around. And the one that's in our batter, we're going to add baking powder. So if you have self-rising, just use it, that'll be much easier. If not, you go by the ratio, so like 1 cup of flour to 1 teaspoon of baking powder, or put 2, I recommend. Mix that around. And I like to use soda water. So we're looking for a pancake consistency. This is what we mean by a pancake mixture. It's runny. When I put my oil on, I'm using canola, and it's going to be a shallow fry. Our potatoes are parboiled. We're going to drizzle with some olive oil. Salt. Pepper. I'm going to season it with some Cajun. Onion powder. garlic powder, chicken stock or chicken bouillon, some thyme, and some rosemary. And then we're just going to coat evenly. And put them in the air fryer. Make sure they're evenly layered. I'm going to cook it on high for about maybe 14-13 minutes, and then we're going to turn them over and do the same. When our chips are nearly ready, we'll then cook the fish because it will only take a couple minutes to cook. The fish is floured, and I'm just going to put it in the batter like so. Tap, 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 get the excess off. Repeat the process. Dip in. Tap, 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 get the excess off. These literally only take a couple minutes, so probably about like 3-4 minutes on each side. Time to flip some of them. Careful. As soon as you take them out, you have to salt them, so we're going to use chicken salt. Done. We can do my sons. So I'm going to give them one fish, see how it goes. I'll have this with some wedges. A bit suspicious wedges. And that's my sons. Ooh. That's how you make fried fish. My husband's. My husband loves potatoes. I don't know about the salad because he'll be trying to avoid being healthy in there, so. So salt. And some French dressing. And I think I might give my husband one of those small fishes. And there's my husband's dinner, wedges, fish and salad.